Hi, welcome to Astrology for You viewers. Every episode is gaining importance because of your support and you follow all our episodes. Thank you all. I have great pleasure in welcoming Dr. Prasad. Hi, Dr. Prasad. How are you?
Hi, VRK. Welcome to all the viewers.
Yeah, but I'm not in a good mood to start our discussion.
Yeah,
As you know that throughout the world and in particular India is gripping in this wave 2 of COVID-19 corona. Exponential growth is happening throughout the country. In fact, like some of our viewers pointed it out, I also still remember that during that wave 1, you exactly predicted when the vaccines are going to come out. And it exactly happened. We are proud to associate with your doctor. And you also predicted one more thing. When the lockdown was continuously happening, you precisely predicted that when the lockdown will end. Doctor, once again, along with our viewers, I have come to you with a small request. It's not a small request, it's really a big request. When this COVID 2.0 will come to an end in India, we are all very much concerned and we would like to hear from you. Eagerly would like to hear from you. Over to you, Doctor.
thanks, Radhakrishnan. Um, yeah, it's a very serious question and very serious situation in India, right? And then again, some of our subscribers have been asking this question, so that's the reason.
Yes, yes,
Originally, I was not intending to do this video on this topic because the situation is not great, but people want to know, they are asking, so that's the reason I'm doing it. By looking at this chart again, I'm completely based out of astrology, there's nothing more to it, right? So based on my analysis using astrology, the
yeah,
second wave is going to be much worse than the first wave. we have
my God.
already we have already seeing it, right? What is I mean, if you see the graph, it is the number of cases. Like today I was just checking, new cases average in the last 7 days is 3 lakh some cases. Okay,
Yes,
so it is so horrible. and
alarm.
and then going forward, based on the planetary positions, this situation is going to go even worse. The numbers what the India is going to see is unimaginable numbers in terms of infections and then in terms of deaths as well. The situation is very bad. I don't know all those numbers are reported correctly or not. Leaving that aside, based on the planetary positions, the situation is very bad. It is going to get worse even going further. Like June, July, it will go up even more. Okay, it may peak in June, July time period. To answering to your question, when it will end, I won't say it will end. Even last year I made so many videos on COVID. People were asking me, when will this COVID end, when will this COVID end? I've been telling from
Yes,
day one, COVID is not going to go away from us. We have to
okay,
learn living with it. Take the
okay,
vaccinations, be cautious, be prepared. It is going to be like I mean, with like us, I mean, like chicken pox or cholera on like that. Oh, right, you
okay,
take the vaccination, you take those things, that's it. There is nothing more to it. So don't think COVID will end. That is not going to happen. That is not going to happen at all. So and then um, so coming back to it, when it
yeah,
will at least reduce is, in
yeah,
my opinion, it will reduce by September 14th.
okay,
Okay, September 14th, it's like almost 5 months, 6 months
5 months.
from now. Oh, right. After that, it will come down. But again, we made a mistake last year. I said, like, from October, it will come down and all. Then again, we relaxed. We didn't
Correct.
follow all the norms, what we are supposed to follow, right?
Correct.
And then now we are seeing the result. Then again,
Correct.
I'm warning, there is going to be a third wave in December. So to be precise, the date I'm saying is 21st November 21. After 21st November 21, there is going to be another third wave also.
Do you mean to say that there is a very short period of some
Yeah, 2
reprimand for
months.
us from September to November?
Correct. So that is a small window. There it will basically, if you see the curve, it will go down and then again it will go up. Something else will come and then another from December onwards, like November. What is the date I said? November 21st. From after November 21st, there's going to be another third wave also. So we need to be all citizens, especially this video is exclusively for India. Okay. I'm predicting only for India, not for other countries. Okay. So we need to be very careful and everybody try to get the vaccine, whatever vaccine you try to get, right? Whatever you are getting from the government or market or whatever. That's the only way, and follow the norms, wearing mask, social distancing, and all that. That is the only thing that is going to help us and nothing else. All right. So it is going to be very, very critical from now to July. July, August, it is going to be very, very critical. I can't say anything more than that. Try to get vaccination, then pray God, pray whatever the religion you are following, pray God, and then so that you don't get affected. That's the only thing I can tell.
Thank you, doctor. Yeah, it's really painful to know that this virus is going to be with us for a longer duration. But as we know that we need to prepare ourselves. If we cannot control something else, we have to control ourselves.
Yeah.
That's what the government is stressing. As a responsible citizen of India, I request through this Astrology for You channel, please, fellow brothers and sisters, wear mask. Wear good masks. Keep social distancing. Avoid crowding. Avoid get together. At least let this year go off with minimal impact for life, for our fellow countrymen. Thank you, Doctor. We take your input and we'll continue to be more cautious. We'll continue to pray God that this will come down. Thank you, Astrology for view users. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. If you need astrology or Vastu consultations, please contact me at 408-909-5867 or visit at my website www.astrologyforyu.us.